Hello my people, how are you? It's Mom Brispa here again with another video, and it's an interesting one, guys. I just want to go to check on my mails and at least to show you how outside is. It has been snowing since yesterday, the whole day yesterday, and also at night. At least now it has cooled down a bit, so I just want to rush and check on my mail. So guys, I'm taking you along with me. This is how my outfit for today, and I've already put on my boots, and now I'm going for my jacket. I'm putting on this one here because this one is big enough. So, not for beauty, my people. Our country, oh, this country. When it's snowing, it's snowing. And when it's cold now. But at least when it's snowing, it's not that cold. When it's snowing, it's not that cold as such. Oh, something has gone. Okay, guys, let's go. Okay. Why removing this and it's not coming? Also, guys, let's get into it, my people. Let's go. At least it was shoveled a bit. Okay, let me lock the door. I have to use the password to close. Okay, guys, so this is how at least it's not as bad as yesterday. So let us just go like this. Oh, the weather is a bit not that cold, but I have to go. Okay, now you see, even the trees, look at the trees. The trees also have a wall. The Christmas tree. Oh my, see, all of it. Fun, eh? Beautiful, eh? So, they normally shovel because it was full. Even last night you couldn't have seen even the road, but at least how they've shoveled it now, it's nice. Okay, look, Canada. Now I'll be just going home and just wanna go and rest because it is not even fun. But it is what it is, oh. Okay, I've reached. Just wanna show you where I'm going, and that's why I've put on these boots because I don't want to slide. Look, some cars are covered with the snow. Look at the other side. Look at here. I'm going here. Oh, it is sliding, my people. Oh my, I can't go further than this. Oh my goodness. Look at this other side. Look at the children playground, how it is. Look. All the trees are like this. Oh my goodness. I'll try and climb it a bit, okay? And walk on it, not climbing. I'm sorry. Let me check the letters. If I'm having, if at all. Many of them, guys, see. A lot. my people. Okay, let me close it. Can we proceed here? Can I? Oh, my people. I'm drowning in. Oh. Oh, guys, I'm sinking. Look. I can't go further than this, my people. Oh, my people, I'm afraid of falling down. Look at this, that other side, look. It's snow all over. No, my people, I can't risk, I can't risk. I'm afraid. Look, and today, look at this other side. This backyard. Oh, guys, I can't go further than this. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Guys, see, I can't go further than this. Look. Look at this place. Look. I'm afraid now. I can't. I wanted to take you around, but oh, I might even fall in the deep. Look at my legs. Let me show you. Let me show you. Look. So I can't. I'm just trying, but oh, guys, oh my, this is too much. Look, you can't even see anybody outside. Look, Canada, winter time, as we're approaching Christmas. Wow, wonderful. Look at the trees. Look at the trees. Oh, guys, let's go back. Let's just go back. I can't do this anymore. Okay. It's good that I have boots. And I've taken the letters. Oh. Okay, guys, that was tough. So I have to go back home. You can see. I have to go back home. Let's see. Okay, I have to walk when I'm careful because I don't want to fall down. Nobody will pick me, I'm telling you. My area. And even with this, people have to go to work. So guys, at least you've seen my area. Look, everywhere is white. White Christmas. See, you want me to take you also the other side a bit? Let us walk and see God's nature. Okay, I'm still walking a bit. I'm still walking. Look at the houses. Everywhere is white. I can't go further than this, but at least I'm trying. At least they'd shovel for us the road, because last night you couldn't have known. Even I've seen the road; it was all covered with white, with snow. Look, at least there's the road, main road, the other side. Look how it is. So this is how Canadians enjoy their Christmas. Look at here. Look at this heap. Look at the trees. Look at the other side. Guys, just wanna show you how last night was. Paul is shoveling. Today I don't want to shovel because I'm afraid of my chest. Usifikishe huko. Usingefikisha, ungeacha tu. Si bado itavurutwa na gari. Unaingiza hapo pia? Maji tu. Guys, it is full today because it has been snowing since morning. Wacha tu hapo kwa barabara itavurutwa. Hata ilikuwa iko kwa fikira yangu sasa. Guys, see. Here snow is like rain. And it is still snowing, imagine. Look, it is still snowing. Let me show you. So, I've been forced to shovel because if you leave it till tomorrow, oh my. Okay guys, now see, Paul is there shoveling, and the other side is our neighbors are also shoveling. Look. So guys, I've shown you how it was last night. It was very full, and really my son did a very good job. So that is it, my people. So let's go back to today. Okay guys, now this is it, and the car is coming, so I need to give way. I don't want to be stepped on, to be run on. Okay. Okay, my people, okay, this is it. So guys, consider to subscribe, comment it on that notification bell so that YouTube may continue notifying you whenever I've posted. Guys, I've read these are the papers that I've taken. Okay, bye.